Hey guys, welcome to Gadget Voice and this is Chris. Today we are unboxing and reviewing the Huawei Watch GT2 Pro. So a few days ago, Huawei launched the Mate 40 Pro. We have unboxed the device and the link is in the description. Along with the smartphone, the company also launched the new Huawei Watch GT2 Pro. This smartwatch joins the Watch GT2 and the Watch GT2e by adding more premium materials with a titanium case and ceramic back. The case measures 47mm and it comes with a bright AMOLED display that offers a resolution of 454 by 454 pixels. The Huawei Watch GT2 Pro retains the internals of the GT2, but it is made with premium materials. Its borderless dial is made of sapphire crystal, the watch case is titanium, and the watch plate which rests on your wrist is ceramic. The Watch GT2 Pro comes in a simple box with a USB cable and a standard wireless charging cradle. This means that the Watch GT2 Pro can charge on almost any wireless charger. The strap itself has a two-sided finish. On the inside, the one that makes contact with your skin is smooth. The outer side is grippy and textured. The Huawei Watch GT2 Pro comes with a selection of over 200 watch faces. One that really stands out is the Night Wish face, which can show you all the 8 phases of the moon. You can also simply swipe down from the watch face to find information about sunrise and sunset, moonrise and moonset, tide time, and so on. The watch also comes with a range of workout modes. It can track over 100 types of workouts and even offers around 10 running courses with voice guidance. The watch also comes with route back feature, which uses GPS to track your trail on a hike and then give you assistance on the way back. You also get new golf and skiing tracking modes apart from all the bells and whistles, including sleep tracking, stress tracking, SpO2 level tracking, heart rate tracking, and so on. Talking about the SpO2 level, a healthy adult should have between 94% and 100% of oxygen saturation in their blood in normal conditions. SpO2 is not constantly monitored and it takes about 10 seconds for the Watch GT2 Pro to produce a reading. The Huawei Watch GT2 Pro comes with 4 GB of onboard storage and can connect to Bluetooth headphones on its own. This means you can store your favorite music on the smartwatch and work out without your phone. The Watch GT2 Pro also has a speaker and microphones, and it can take calls if it is connected directly to your smartphone. Call quality was top notch and the speaker is more than loud enough if you are on your morning commute. The Watch GT2 Pro allows you to control music on your smartphone and also acts as a remote shutter while taking pictures from your phone. Battery life on the Huawei Watch GT2 Pro is also awesome. On a single charge, we were able to use it for full 9 days before it needed a charge. A full charge takes about an hour and you get about 10 hours of usage from a 5 minutes of charging. You can also charge the Watch GT2 Pro using reverse charging capabilities of Huawei's latest smartphones. For example, we've used the P40 Pro here. The Huawei Watch GT2 Pro is excellent as a smartwatch and packs enough punch to make your day better as a smart tracker. For a price of 999 dirhams, the Watch GT2 Pro is an amazing looking watch that will tell you time but can also double up as a fitness tracker. Check out the Huawei website for the latest deals and offers on the devices. If you like the video, please like, share and comment below. And subscribe to our channel for more videos. And keep watching GadgetVoice.com.